Yo, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? Devin Baptiste here, and let's welcome you to another Black Diamond FX episode. Yeah, so what are we doing tonight? Tonight, we will be looking for some trade setups for the upcoming trading week. And the pairs that we will be looking at are GBPJPY, GBPUSD, US30, and of course, XAUUSD, which is gold. All right. Hey, hold on one second. Sir, can you lower the volume on your computer? Well, whose other computer you're using, can you lower the volume on it? That's my son over there playing something. I don't know. All I hear is this screaming noise. All right, play Roblox, but I need you to keep the volume down. All right, everybody. So, like I was saying, the pairs we will be looking at for setups for the upcoming week are GJ, GBP, JPY, GU, GBPUSD, US30, and of course, gold, my 4 favorite pairs. Let's take a look and see. Let's start off with GBPJPY. So, taking a look at the chart, we can see market structure is going in an upward direction, correct? We're making higher highs and higher lows. So let's look at where we are currently. All right, so price is here. We see that we have a break of structure already right here, correct? Correct. All right, so I like to label my charts, you know. All right, so we have a break of structure. Now, for those of you that's unfamiliar with the way I trade, I like to use what's called the price cycle. All right. So before I continue, let me just show you guys the price cycle, what exactly I'm talking about. Okay, so first we have number one. Let me make the text a little bit bigger, just so y'all can see. Let's make it 40. All right. So first part of the price cycle is known as consolidation. All right. After consolidation, we get expansion. And we go break down what each one mean. For those of you that don't know. All right. Then we get retracement. All right. And the last one is reversal. All right. Boom. Okay. So consolidation. Everybody knows. Well, I ain't gonna say everybody. Everybody knows. But for those of you that trade already, you guys know pretty much that retracement, price moves up and down in a sideways motion, creating liquidity, right? Y'all got the excuse, that's my notifications coming in. All right, so creating moves up and down in a sideways motion, creating liquidity at the tops and at the bottoms. All right, let me just slow this down right quick, DND. All right, there we go. All right, so we create liquidity on top. Liquidity, wait. Top. And we create liquidity on the bottom. All right. So that's pretty much consolidation. All right. Now, once we get consolidation, we move on to number 2. And what exactly is number 2? Number 2 is expansion. So check this out. I'm going to delete this right quick. And so with expansion, I should have moved this over some, but you guys, I'm going to redraw it. Hold on one second. All right. So we get consolidation. All right. Let me just redraw it right quick for you guys. All right. So we get consolidation. All right. So number 2 is expansion. What is expansion? Expansion is that violent, sharp breakout that comes out of consolidation. A lot of times you're going to see it as a series of candles going either breaking out to the top side or breaking out to the bottom side. All right. That is our expansion. Now, when we are trading the price cycle, all right, it's some things that you guys need to know about expansion. All right. If we are to find a trade, most of our trades are going to come from expansion. The expansion is crucial because the expansion is what's going to create our supply or demand zone where we're going to find our trade from. Okay. Now, let me just finish this right quick. So after retracement, you might see price come like, no sticky keys. All right. So you might see price consolidate again. All right. Consolidate, but then it's going to make its way back down. That's the retracement. All right. After expansion, we might get consolidation, then we get some retracement. All right. So when price retraces, price will retrace normally to a zone, a supply or demand zone, just like I told you guys. All right. And a lot of times it's going to be located right down up in here somewhere. All right. And then number 4, after retracement, we get the reversal. That's where we enter our trade at. We just, hold on. Pass. All right. So now there are some important things that you guys need to know about this. All right. So consolidation is easy. It goes side to side, building liquidity at the tops and the bottoms, right? Then we get expansion coming out. Now, sometimes you might, on consolidation, you might get something like this. Boom. It might take out liquidity to the bottom side and then make its way back up. All right. That happens sometimes. All right. Sometimes it's going to happen. Sometimes it's not going to happen. You just be patient. Your job is to be patient. All right. Now, with expansion, like I said, expansion leaves behind our zone. Now, 2 important things that you need to know. For expansion to leave behind a value zone, it must create imbalance. All right. It must create imbalance and it must break structure. All right. That's 2 important things. Must create imbalance, must break structure. If it does neither, if it does one and not the other, let it go. It has to do both. Taking liquidity is just an added bonus. All right. That just makes the zone even stronger. All right. That's with expansion. It must do it. And it must have that violent, strong move away. All right. That violent, strong, I'm talking about those big, long candles or series of candles coming away. That's the institutional move that we need to see. All right. So then it may do this, or it may just come up and then just start coming back down. Right. And we wait for it. That's the retracement. When it comes back down, we wait for it to get back in the zone. Now, once it gets back in the zone, there's a certain pattern that we look for on a smaller time frame. See, I'm on the hour. It's good to drop to the 15 or maybe even the 5. And once it gets back down into the zone right here, we're going to see something like this. Boom. Boom. Hold up. I messed up, y'all. Hold on. We're going to see it's going to go boom, 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 boom. All right. This little drawing here on a lower time frame, it's going to be inside of here. That's what we want to see. If you don't see that, don't trade. All right. So what we have is a change of character here. All right. On the top side. All right. Then what we have down here is a break of structure. Same thing. Change of character, break of structure. That's smart money. All right. Price cycle, supply and demand, smart money trading. All right. And same thing. We want to see, same thing like on the higher time frame. We want price to come back down here in a zone. Same thing we want to see here. The difference is you're not going to wait for this pattern again. Once you see it and you get your rejection, boom, take your trade. All right. And you can set your take profit target at whatever you're I usually like to go for like an imbalance fill on my take profit target, or like a high or something like that. All right. Now I try to aim for at minimum of 1 to 10 risk to reward. You're not going to always get it. Sometimes it's going to be less, sometimes it's going to be more. All right. But profit is profit. All right. So let's take a look. This is the 1 hour chart. Okay. So we see price has already taken off. See, it pulled back here, created these lows right here, right? Created these lows, came, broke structure. I'll change character here to let us know that price will be moving back on up. So now we're in the middle of the trend. So we start looking for break of structure, and we see it right here. All right. We see break of structure there. Let me go top side. Okay, so we have break of structure that also took out these highs right here, liquidity. Plus, what else do we have? See those strong candles? If we go down to the 15-minute, look at that. See that? See that strong, violent moves right there? Okay, now, where did these strong moves originate from? Way down here, right? See this consolidation area? That's our consolidation. Check this out. Draw it out. Don't be afraid to draw it out. You know, you got to see it. When you see it, it looks good. It looks good. When you see it, you can trade it a whole lot better when it's clear. Now look what we got. Boom, boom. Our consolidate. We could even probably stretch it up to here. But let's go. Let's stretch it up to there. All right. That's zone 48. That's a big zone right there. That's a real big zone. All right. So let's see 3 minutes. Let's see what it looks like on a 3-minute. I don't like this big old long candle. I tell you what, I'm gonna shorten it. I'm gonna shorten it down to this candle right here. This candle, because the imbalance is here. So I'm gonna shorten it down to that candle right there. All right. Now, this zone still is almost 20 pips, but guess what? It don't matter, because we're waiting for price to come down, and you're waiting to see that pattern that I showed you. All right. So it don't matter where the zone is located. If it comes down in here, once it gets down in here, we start looking for that pattern that I showed you, that reversal pattern on the lower time frame. All right. Now we're on the lower time frame, but we start looking for that reversal pattern, right? So we're going to wait for price to come all the way back down here. All right. Let's go back to the 1 hour. All right. I'm going to stretch it out. Remember, that was a 3-minute, 3-minute zone. A 3-minute zone that we found this on. Okay. All right, there. All right. Back to the hour. All right. And now I can put my long position tool on. Boom, boom. Bring it up. All right. 17 pips. I can work with that, because I'm not going to enter until I see my pattern. So it really doesn't matter. If I aim for the high, that's a 1 to 6. Risk to reward, 104 pips. I can work with 104 pips. You can get 104 pips on GBPJPY easy in a matter of minutes. All right. But you see, that's how I find my trades. That's how I find my trades. All right. And that is GBPJPY. Let me see something. Let me go down. Let's see. Okay. So I even see, look, check this out. Remember I told you about consolidation, and I pulled it down and I said it might take out liquidity. Look what we got here. Check this out. If I mark this, see those equal highs right there? Now look what happened. Boom. This took out this liquidity right here. This move up took out these equal lows. All right. Now, most of the time, when that happens, you can expect price to go in the opposite direction. You're going to get that stop up here, boom, price come down. This was kind of lets me know price is going to come down to our zone. All right. Now, I do want to see the same thing, like a change of character, probably either here, from here, this level, 182.6 area, and the 182.5 area, somewhere, either this one or this one of those. But I am expecting it to come down, all right, to come down to my zone and then give us our trade. Now, it could go past it because the trend is up. Let me see if I go on a higher time frame. Really? Yeah, it's I don't think it hasn't been up there. Here we go. We're right here now. So I mean, if it's going to continue up, I would target this imbalance field right here. Right here, because there's nothing really to stop it. At 182.9, might as well put it at 183. 183, I'm a whole numbers kind of guy. And look, it's just right there. It's just right there. So this could be a peak high. This could be a peak high formation. This could come down, go up there to 183. I may have to change my bias on this because this high, this is the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart. And we all know the higher time frames hold more weight than the lower time frames. All right. So we possibly, see, I'm glad I came over here to the monthly. Let me draw this zone out right quick. This is a monthly zone. Glad I came there. All right. So it's possible that we about to get to a big sell. Wait, what I said that was? Monthly. One. Where is this? Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Oh boy. You got enough. Wait, that's not 180. That's 185, 184.25. Hold on 1 second. Let me erase this. Delete. All right. So this is at, oh shucks. Hold on, y'all. Bear with me. Bear with you, boy. 184.25. That's what I'm gonna set it. 184.25. All right. Let me put my zone back up there. 184.25 would be my target. 184.25. All right. Go back to the hour. $4.25. 1 to 13 risk to reward ratio. All right. So that's my target, 184.25. That's what I'll be aiming for. And that's a total of, that'll be a total of 234 pips. And 234 pips on GBPJPY, you can get that in like a half a day. Because GJ moves. GJ move. When GJ moves, GJ moves. Look at this. Look at this move here. 181.5 all the way up to here. 182.9. Right? That's 154 pips. Just right there. All right. And this is a 15-minute chart. So that's what I'm looking for on GBPJPY. I'm looking for a buy. All right. Let's go to GBPUSD. Back to the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the monthly. See what the monthly is. All right. So prices, it's been moving down. Same thing. All right. 2 hour. 2 hour. All right. So we got a high. See, it's coming down here. This probably was a. All right. coming down. Okay, we see all of this right here going on. This could be a pullback down to this zone. So this is our trading range from here to here, from down here to up there. All right, but let's look at what we have so far. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, excuse me. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, we excuse me, y'all. All right, so price is here. All right, looks like it's kind of, the momentum kind of slowing out. This is a tricky one. This one's kind of tricky because it looks like, it was coming up, taking a slow move down. This might be a retracement down to about here somewhere. That might very well be a retracement. Because look how it's coming down. Okay, we got change of character down here. All right, break a structure, momentum starting to slow. All right, you're getting a lot of wicks. This one here, I'm gonna mark my zone, and I'm just gonna kind of sit back on this one. This one I'm not too sure about. If you're not too sure about a trade, it's cool. You're not gonna be sure about every trade. If you're not sure about one, sit back and watch it happen, watch it develop. As it get closer, things might clear up. All right. I'm a bit unsure about this one. Let me see. 30-minute. Yeah, I'm a bit unsure about this one. I don't like. It could build up liquidity here and then spike down. And you know what? That's probably what it's going to end up doing. Because you see these lows, they're not equal. They're relatively equal. It's only 89, 85. It's only like 4 pips. They're relatively, let's say we call them equal lows. They're relatively equal lows, not totally equal, relative. All right. Now this could be a Wyckoff schematic about to be played out right there. That's what I'm thinking. For those of you that are familiar with Wyckoff, this could be a Wyckoff schematic about to play out. All right. We got our preliminary support. Wait, no, my bad. I'm sorry. Hold on. Let's go to the 15-minute. All right. So we get our selling climax here. Selling climax. Automatic rally. What is it? Secondary test. Is this not UTAD? What is it? Upthrust? Upthrust maybe? Or spring? Or I forgot what it's called. Now we could, no, it's not a spring. The spring will come down. I'm thinking it's gonna spring. We're gonna get a spring down into the zone, and or even just tap it and take out this and then go up. That's what I'm thinking on this. That's what I'm thinking. Now, that's a prediction pretty much. Now we don't predict, we react. But I'm gonna just leave it like that. I'm gonna leave a little note. I'm gonna leave a little note right quick. Hold on. A call out. May get a spring into zone. Watch for a spring down into the zone. All right. We might get a spring down into the zone. All right. So we just gonna watch that one. I think we're gonna get a little Wyckoff action on this one. All right. So we just gonna leave this one like that. Next up, we have US30, the king of all pairs. All right. So what's US30 doing? Big time frame. It was going up. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's so choppy right there, man. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. 2 hour, 1 hour. See how choppy it is coming down? Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that choppiness. I don't like it one bit. All right, let's see what we can find. Let's see. You might be able to make something of this. All right, so first things first. It's coming down, right? Yeah, coming down. We broke structure right up top on the high side, and we changed character here. Oops, in the wrong spot. Hold on. Change character there. All right. So what else do we have? We broke structure, change character, coming down. Boop, boop. We got some little minor breaks of structure. We have a big break of structure here or here. All right. Let's look at what price currently is. So we see price respected this zone right here. This one. Right? Price respected that zone. All right. Came down, but it never came down here. Maybe because it was Friday and the market closed. All right. Perhaps. Let's see. See, we do have a break of structure right here. Man, what's going on? I can't get my lines and stuff right. All right. Break a structure there. All right. Let's go down to the 30. All right. See, and now this looks a bit better. Now we can see it a little bit better. All right. So we broke structure here, came down, got this wick, came up, retraced back to the zone, came down. This probably, I'm looking at this to probably come down some more. Yeah. Because I would like to see it break this structure. If I'm going to sell this, I'm going to look for a selling opportunity. I would like to see it break this low. This low. This low. All right, let me put a call out on there. Want to see this low broken. All right, so I want to see that low broken and then perhaps retrace up. If this, and honestly, if this low gets broken, I want to see it broken with momentum, and I want to see imbalance in some on this. This move, the move that breaks this, I'm going to look for something along there. All right. I want to see some long institutional candles break this low right here. All right. And then I'm going to look for something perhaps up in here. All right. That's US30. Because I'm not trusting it to come back up here. I don't like it. I don't like the way it look. I don't know, just my instincts, my intuition. All right. So let's move on to our last pair, which is XAUUSD, another one of my favorites, and that is gold. And I want y'all to see something on gold. Because gold, I like the way gold move, man. Especially for the way that I trade. Man, y'all see these? You know how I tell y'all we want to see these long institutional candles, these long, violent breakouts of consolidation. It just makes it so much easier. Y'all see that? Man, look, check this out. If I had gotten in on here, and I probably did, because gold is one of my favorite pairs, and I'll be watching that bad boy. I'll be watching it. Now there was no notable imbalance up in here, but I did have imbalance right down here. All right. But this was consolidation. This is what I wanted y'all to see. Consolidation. All right. I wanted y'all to see that. Matter of fact, I think I wanted to go to the 1 hour. All right. So you got a little small area right there. But the imbalance that was respected was this small one right here. All right. Now let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's go here. Consolidate. Boom. And I like to, when the candles are jumbled like that, I like to call that whole area consolidation. All right. And then look what happened. Look. Boom. Boom. Zoop. Take the trade on up. Take the trade on up the road. All right. And even here, small. All right. But then it started coming down. See that? A clue that price was about to come down was this right here. See this change of character right here? Or this breaker structure, whatever you want to call it. And even right here. All right. We got a breaker structure here. Up here. Change character here. Came down. Now it did this. This was inducement. This right here was inducement. This induced people to start selling. And some people did make good money. But then look what happened. Boop. If you sold from this level here, if you sold from these equal highs right up in there, hold on. If you sold from these equal highs, you probably made good money. Not from this one, because you didn't know. You didn't know it was going to do this. But double tops. All right, sell, yeah, sell. Whoop, whoop. And then look what happened. Boom, gotcha. Took you out. Took you out the market. Man, ain't that something? Ain't that something how they operate? Man, come on. All right. There's a lot of wicks up in there. It probably got some zone up in there. I don't be trusting wicks like talking about. See that? Probably got a zone up in there somewhere. This was news. I can tell you this was news. All right. But let's go back. We trade what was clear to us. We trade what we can clearly see. All right. And if we go all the way down here, look, check this out. Remember what I was telling y'all? Look what happened. Watch this. See this consolidation zone? See what's at the bottom? Liquidity. Look what happened. Liquidity got ran out. Boom. See that? Then look, change your character right here. Right here. Oh, shucks. All right, right there. That was our chalk. I would change the character on the high side. All right. Price went up. Up. Came down. Came down to here. All right. Went up again. Boom. Came down to this zone right here. To this zone right here. And gold looks to be buying. Gold looks to be buying. See that? Right up in there. Now, let's see. Let's see. Do we get our pattern? Do we get our pattern? This looks like a... Nah. Well, maybe. I don't know. No, it's not a white coffee. Or maybe it just hasn't developed yet. I don't know. But do we get our pattern? No, not yet. We not. Gold is most likely going to buy, but just not quite yet. Just not quite yet. All right. Because we still don't have a change of, unless we go down to the 1 minute. Let's see. 1 minute. Does this qualify as a change of character here? See, I would rather see here. I won't see this. And see these. Now what happened is, see how these liquidity got taken out right here? These equal highs? Watch this. Equal highs got taken out. So 9 times out of 10, this is going to make a little move down. Liquidity. See that? Equal highs. 1, 2, 3. Triple tops. Triple tops. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to sell. We're going to sell. We got double tops. Boom. Oh, look. It's coming back. Oh, look. It made a triple top. It's coming down. Let's sell. Look what happened. Boom. Now your stop loss hit. Now your stop loss hit. Man, come on. Come on, man. When you see double tops and triple tops, your alerts, your antennas should go up. All right. Your antennas should go up. They should. A lot of times they don't, but they should. All right. Now looking at this, I think this is going to come down. See, we got consolidation. This is on a 1 minute, y'all. Check this out. Let's see if it play out like. All right, we got consolidation. Let's say from here to here. Let's say from there to there. All right. So if that's consolidation, this is our zone. See this violent move that broke this structure right here? Remember I told y'all, violent move, the violent move, the expansion. Expansion got to be violent. It's consolidation, expansion, retracement, and then reversal. Well, I was on right here. Boom. I was on right down here. So I'm looking for a buy on gold. I'm looking for gold to buy. It's going to come down some, but then it's going to go up. All right. And that's what I'm looking for. Let's see if I 15 minutes. Yeah. And I want to buy it too. I would buy gold. I would look to buy gold perhaps. So about the 1932 level, or even to this high. To see this high, look what we got. See these equal highs right here? That's liquidity. Look, even here, from all the way here to there. All right. We got equal highs. We got a lot of liquidity resting up there. All right. So this is our target at the 1937. Let's make it 1937.5. 1937.5. That's my target. All right. And I'm going to put my risk to reward tool on. Hold up. Right here. All right. Entry at 1919.795. 795. All right. What I said, hold on. What I said, 1937.5. All right. Cancel. 15. 3. Take profit, 1937.5. 37.5. From 1919, 1937. I think that's a good TP. Boom. There we go. 1 to 60. Y'all see that? 1 to 60. Let's see if it happened. 1 to 60. Look, I got confidence in my skills, man. I don't want. Look, I seen a dude tell me, talking about 1 to 10 is like way too much. I'm like, for who? Maybe for you. 1 to 10 for me is average. But a lot of times I go by structure. I go by what my imbalance is. I go by liquidity. That's smart money. I could target this right here, 1934.38. But then I noticed we got all this liquidity sitting up here. Who says it's not going to go up there? And then look, we already got to change the character down here. We took out liquidity down here. All right. Gold could possibly be reversing. It took all this liquidity. This is a 1-hour chart. All right. Come on, man. Sometimes you got to get rid of them. Got to get rid of those fears, man. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to go for it. All right. Trade responsibly, but don't be scared to go for a big target. Manage your trade. Learn to manage your trade. That's what you do. Learn to manage your trade, right? And look, see, just like it took this. Remember, the market is fractal. See how it took this? So why can't it take this? Huh? Come on now. The market is fractal, right? What happens on the bigger time frame happens on the lower time frame. It just happened on the lower time frame first, right? So look, boop, happened on the lower time frame first, took this liquidity. Why I can't take this one too? Come on now. Let's do it. Man, don't be scared, man. Trade responsibly. You can't be scared to go after the big trades sometimes. Yes, I'm not saying go after it all the time. But look, let me tell you, you get in profit, you manage your trade. Either take some profits off the table, close a few lots, or move your stop loss. As the trade progresses, you move your stop loss into profit. The way I do that, I use structure. We go up, make a pullback, go up again. When it breaks that structure, watch this. This is how I manage a trade. This is how I manage a trade. Price going up. All right. This is my entry right here. My entry right here at the horizontal line. All right. Stop loss is down here. All right. Price go up, come down. Go up, break this high, boom, move my stop loss to entry. All right. Price go up, go down, break this high, boom, move my stop loss to this low. Price go up, boom, 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 break this high. All right. Boom. Now, once you see it coming down, and it might break that low right there, get out of the trade. If it see the price coming down and it break this low, get out your trade. Same thing if it was in reverse. That's how you manage your trades. That's how you don't lose a whole ton of money. All right. That's how you do that. So I'm gonna end it right here. Devin Baptiste, Black Diamond FX. Man, look, y'all want to trade? Y'all learn how to trade like Black Diamond? Y'all want to trade with Black Diamond? Y'all want me to teach you how I trade the price cycle, how I trade supply and demand, how I trade smart money, how I use liquidity, imbalances to find high probability trade setups. I am a beast at this. I may not be the best in the world right now, but I'm quite well on the way to becoming that dude. All right. Holla at y'all later. Deuces.